Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Signs and symptoms of cannabis intoxication. The patient develops euphoria, emotional instability, and erotic feeling. Signs and symptoms of chronic poisoning. On chronic poisoning with cannabis, the patient develops amotivational syndrome and run amok. In run amok, the patient has homicidal impulse or killing spree. The patient has depression followed by homicidal impulse, and thus he kills himself and then surrenders. First he kills others and then he feels depressed about that effect and he kills himself or surrenders. Koro. Koro is the feeling in males that penis can be retracted into the abdomen. That is koro. In females also there is koro. Koro is in females is a belief that breast is retracted into the chest. Medico-legal importance. Medico-legal importance. World's most widely used.
thank you and thank you for watching.